Hi everyone, I'm Greg.
And I'm Louise.
We own and run Poole Farm CL, based here adjacent to the River Tamar on the Devon-Cornwall border in the southwest of England.
Yeah.
There's got to be a squirrel up there.
Yeah.
We took over the CL here 10 years ago and we have extended it in those 10 years into what you see today. So what do we like best about running a CL?
Well, I know what I like, which is our guests. They love coming here. They appreciate everything that we do for them, the beautiful scenery that we have around us and the wildlife. But most of all, I think it's just enjoying their company.
My name's Amanda.
And I'm Kevin, her husband.
And this is Bracken.
We couldn't have found a better site, to be honest.
In the words of Mary Poppins, this is practically perfect in every way. Of course, you can start with the pitch, which is level, flat, fully serviced. And then you can go on to the dog walk, the dog wash, the ecological stuff that they do, renewable energy that they do. And then you go on to the wishy-washy hut, which is fabulously stocked with all of Louise's homemade goodies. And then you come on to the food that Louise makes. It is restaurant food stuff. These places are amazing. It can have amazing facilities, but it comes down to the people that run it.
I have to say that in terms of CLs, we haven't been to a better one.
No. I think people have nominated us because we've exceeded their expectation of what they thought they would have at our CL. It's not just them staying with us. We are giving everybody a fabulous holiday and one to really remember. Yeah.
There's sort of extra touches.
Yeah, a lot of our guests talk about the attention to detail that we do here, and just making them feel special. It's being spoiled. Yeah. We spoil people.
It's your cooking.
No, we
Definitely
spoil. Yeah, but we do. We spoil our guests in all sorts of things: cream teas and Pims on a sunny afternoon, and ice creams, and just lovely things. Me, I actually feel quite humbled by the fact that people think so much of what we've done here and what we continue to do for our guests, that they've taken the time to actually vote for us. What would it mean to win? For me, I'm not sure about you, but for me, it would mean that we have achieved what we set out to do. We're doing our job. Go and try a CL. You might be pleasantly surprised. I think we always say as CL owners that the CL network is perhaps the jewel in the Caravan and Motorhome Club's crown.